Hi everyone, Shell here, and I wanted to share with you today these adorable little LOL cake pops that I made for a little birthday girl. And just wanted to show you how quick and easy this adorable treat is to actually put together. So if you enjoy things like this, stick around and watch me make them. So I started with some vanilla and chocolate cake balls that I have already baked and rolled. So here you see I am just securing my straws in those cake balls with a little bit of my melted white chocolate. And I'm just dipping that straw in, just the tip of it, and then pushing it about halfway through that cake ball to make sure it's secure. And then I'm gonna let these set for about 10 minutes to set up that chocolate, and then we'll get to dipping. So our straws are secure, and you see here I am actually dipping them into the white chocolate, and I like to put my white chocolate in a little miniature mason jar just because it's small and deep and it keeps that chocolate up high, and I can just do one quick dip and pull it up and shake off that excess chocolate. Now you see here I also have two plastic bowls, one to catch my pink sanding sugar and the other to catch my turquoise sanding sugar. So I am just dipping and, like I said, shaking off that excess chocolate, and then of course I am just sprinkling the sanding sugar over the cake pop really good, just to get it nice and well coated. And then I'm just setting them aside so that that chocolate can set up, and then we're going to come back and put a little LOL decor on these sticks. And as you can see here, I am using the pink straws for the vanilla, and I'm using the turquoise straws to notate that those are actually the chocolate cake pops. So here are our finished cake pops ready for their LOL dolls. Now for the LOL dolls, I have just purchased this little birthday package from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below, but they're just little cutout LOL dolls. I really liked them. They are nice and sturdy, just a really good product. But what I liked most is they come with the little glue dots to stick them onto the sticks, which is very convenient. These little glue dots are so much easier to work with than tape or regular glue. So here you have it, your finished LOL cake pops. Let me know what you think about these in the comments. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget, if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so you'll be notified when I upload more treats in the future. Thank you for your support, and I'll see you next time.